Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like the moon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go to watch face, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon. The icon will go back to the gray color. The icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. And this is useful if you want the mode to turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. And to do it, we need to open the settings, so press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, find the option called Preferences and select it, and then tap on Do Not Disturb. Here you can turn on and off the mode by tapping on the switch, but if you want to use the schedule, tap on Auto Enable. And here we have Scheduled and Smart DND. Scheduled allows you to set your own schedule, basically when it turns off and turns on rather. And Smart DND is supposed to turn on Do Not Disturb mode when you go to sleep, so when the watch detects that you're sleeping. I don't know how reliable it is, but that's what it says when you tap on the question mark right here. Okay, oh my bad, I left the settings, so let's go back to the settings, preferences, and this Do Not Disturb, and the Auto Enable. Okay, so if you want to turn on the schedule, you simply select the Scheduled DND, and after that you can tap on the arrow right here, and it will allow you to set the start time and end time. So basically the time on which the mode turns on and time on which it turns off. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 and 6:30. Like this. So now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. You can also disable the schedule mode by simply selecting the manual one right here. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Never mind, the upper button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.